As we age, many of us wonder if maintaining strength, vitality, and a sharp mind is truly possible. The good news is, it absolutely is. Imagine tapping into a forgotten well of wisdom, combining simple, natural ingredients with modern scientific understanding to truly nourish your body from the inside out. We're talking about practical, everyday choices that can help you reclaim your physical confidence and move through life with greater ease, without relying on expensive supplements or complex routines. Let's explore 4 key elements, starting with number 4, the Tendon Thickener, unflavored gelatin. While often seen as just a dessert ingredient, unflavored gelatin holds a powerful secret for your joints. As we get older, especially past 60, the crucial connective tissues that anchor our muscles to our bones, our tendons, and ligaments can start to weaken and deteriorate. This often leads to stiffness, discomfort, and limits our ability to stay active. Many of us focus intensely on building muscle, but if the ropes connecting those muscles to your bones are frayed, your strength can't truly shine. Gelatin is essentially cooked down collagen, and it's packed with 2 specific amino acids, glycine and proline. These are the exact building blocks your body uses to create new cartilage and repair the tiny tears that can develop in your ligaments. Think of it as providing the raw materials for your body to create a stronger, more resilient internal scaffolding. Research, including studies at the University of California, Davis, has shown that consuming gelatin, particularly before light activity, significantly boosts the body's natural collagen production. This process literally helps thicken cartilage and improve the structural integrity of your joints, which can be incredibly helpful in reducing the aches and pains often associated with conditions like osteoarthritis. It gives your body the framework it needs to support and utilize the muscle you already have or are working to build. Instead of reaching for costly collagen peptides, consider the baking aisle. Unflavored gelatin is a highly affordable and bioavailable source. To use it effectively, simply dissolve 1 packet of unflavored gelatin into your morning drink. It blends smoothly and is easy to digest. With consistent use, many people report noticing less stiffness in their knees, for example when climbing stairs, within about 3 weeks. You're giving your connective tissue exactly what it needs to rebuild itself. Moving on to number 3, the time, release matrix, powdered milk, and egg. Our bodies are constantly working even while we sleep, and especially when it comes to maintaining muscle. For seniors, there's an accelerated rate of muscle breakdown overnight and between meals. This constant erosion is a major contributor to age-related frailty, but a clever combination from decades past offers a powerful solution. Mixing powdered milk with a whole egg creates a unique dual-action protein source. The whole egg provides a fast-absorbing protein rich in an amino acid called leucine, which acts like an ignition switch to kickstart immediate muscle protein synthesis. At the same time, the powdered milk delivers concentrated casein protein. When casein enters your stomach acid, it forms a thick, slow-digesting gel. This incredible mechanism creates a steady, continuous release of amino acids into your bloodstream, lasting for 6 to 8 hours. This sustained release is key because it helps prevent your body from entering a catabolic state, where it starts breaking down its own muscle tissue for energy. Researchers at Université Clermont-Auvergne have demonstrated how combining these fast and slow proteins helps your body retain more muscle than consuming either one alone. This is a fundamental strategy for combating sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass and strength. You're giving your body an immediate surge of building blocks, followed by a continuous supply for repair and maintenance, maximizing efficiency without waste. To incorporate this, simply mix 1/3 of a cup of non-fat dry milk powder and 1 whole egg into your daily liquid. This simple blend ensures your muscles are continuously fueled, protecting them even when you skip a meal or sleep through the night. It's a sophisticated approach to muscle preservation hidden in a simple, time-tested recipe. Now for number 2. The Neuromuscular Spark, banana and egg yolk synergy. Having strong muscles is vital, but equally important is the ability of your brain to effectively communicate with them. As we age, the delicate connection between our nerve endings and muscle fibers, known as the neuromuscular junction, can degrade. This means even if you have muscle mass, your brain might struggle to send clear, powerful signals to activate it. This breakdown is a significant factor in age-related frailty and can impact your balance and coordination. Here's where the synergy of a ripe banana and egg yolk comes in. Egg yolk is one of nature's richest sources of dietary choline. Choline is the direct precursor to acetylcholine, the primary neurotransmitter essential for initiating physical movement. Pair this with the generous dose of potassium found in a ripe banana, and you create a perfect neuroprotective combination. Potassium plays a crucial role in regulating the electrical impulses that control your muscle cells, helping to prevent the debilitating cramps that many older adults experience. This precise pairing ensures that your nervous system can send strong, clear signals to your muscles, which is vital for maintaining explosive contractile force. The quick, powerful movements you need to catch yourself during a stumble or stand up confidently from a deep chair. Research, including studies at the Tufts University Human Nutrition Research Center on aging, has confirmed that higher intakes of choline are associated with a significantly reduced risk of sarcopenia. Preserving this neuromuscular spark is just as critical as preserving the muscle tissue itself. For optimal benefit, always use a fully ripe banana, as its natural sugars help your body absorb these nutrients more effectively. and consume the entire egg, yolk and white together to maintain its delicate biological balance. Within a few weeks, you may notice a sharper response time and greater stability in your movements. Finally, for number 1, safe era preparation. How to make it today. While the ingredients we've discussed have stood the test of time, how we prepare them needs a modern update for safety, especially for those over 50. In the past, people might have simply cracked a raw egg into their drinks without a second thought. However, for an aging immune system, this is a risky gamble. As we get older, our immune systems can become less robust, and our stomach acid levels may naturally decline, a condition known as hypochloridria. This means your stomach isn't as effective at neutralizing potentially dangerous pathogens, making foodborne illnesses like salmonella a much greater threat. The good news is you don't have to abandon these beneficial ingredients. The simple safe swap is to replace raw eggs with pasteurized liquid whole eggs from a carton. This completely eliminates the risk of salmonella without altering the crucial nutritional profile that makes this mixture so effective. Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine has highlighted the importance of nutritional interventions for seniors that prioritize both efficacy and food safety. Here's how to safely reconstruct this powerful cocktail today. 1. Pour 1 cup of whole milk into your blender. 2. Add 1/3 of a cup of non-fat dry milk powder. 3. Next, pour in 1/4 cup of pasteurized liquid whole egg from a carton. 4. Finally, add 1 single packet of unflavored gelatin and 1 fully ripe banana. 5. Blend this mixture until it is completely smooth. This liquid format provides over 40 grams of highly bioavailable protein that requires absolutely no chewing. It demands minimal effort from your digestive system, allowing for maximum nutrient absorption and helping you avoid the gastrointestinal discomfort often associated with synthetic thickeners in commercial shakes. This is pure whole food nourishment that respects your body's natural limits. Drink this entire mixture within 30 minutes of your morning walk or light resistance routine. It will comfortably fill your stomach and help keep your energy levels stable until your next meal. By combining historical wisdom with modern geriatric science, you are taking absolute control of your aging process. You're fortifying your tendons, securing a continuous protein supply, and sparking your nervous system. You have the power to reclaim vitality and physical confidence using natural, affordable ingredients. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal and rebuild when given the right raw materials. You don't have to accept weakness or joint pain as an inevitable part of getting older. Fuel your cells with these exact ancestral compounds, prepared safely, and watch your daily energy levels soar and physical limitations begin to fade away.